Big news. We've just rolled out some exciting updates on our website that make finding your perfect vacation rental even easier and a lot more fun to explore. Start by clicking on Vacation Rentals at the top of the page. Then, look for Search Rentals by feature. From there, you can filter by amenities. One of the most popular is Oceanfront, and we've just updated a lot of these listings to make them even better. Many of these oceanfront homes now have upgraded virtual tours. We've created custom views and added buttons, so you can see the precise ocean view before you go. That means you can zoom in, scroll around, and explore the property from every angle, just like being there in person. If something catches your eye, just click into the property. You'll still see the gallery, and you can plug in your arrival dates to check availability right away. We've also expanded the Read More section. Now it opens up to show full property details, everything you want to know in one place. And here's what's new. We've added direct links to oceanfront scenes and the property's proximity to the beach. Click those, and you'll jump right into the virtual tour to explore from every angle. So before you go, take a virtual walk through your future vacation spot. With updated oceanfront listings, custom virtual tour views, and immersive oceanfront experiences, you'll know exactly what it feels like to be here. Start your search today and get closer to the beach than ever before.